Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to install a Birch log set into a Napoleon AX36-1 fireplace. The studs within the firebox have letters associated to them for identification. This helps indicate correct log placement when used with the log placement leaflet. First, locate the holes in the bottom of log 1 and place them over studs A1 and A2. Ensure the notch fits around the pilot shield. Next, place the holes in log 2 on studs B1 and B2, ensuring not to cover the burner ports. Place the center 2 holes in log 3 on studs C1 and C2. The log should not pass over the burner or cover any burner ports. At this point, place glowing embers on the burner in front of the large clusters of ports. Ensure not to cover the burner completely, as this will affect the desired flame appearance. Place the supplied charcoal on the media tray and areas to the side of the firebox. Never cover the burner and air intakes or allow objects to come in contact with the pilot. Locate the notches on the bottom of log 4 and place them over grate posts 2 and 3. Ensure the log is placed flat on the grate posts, moving any charcoal that prevents the log from being placed correctly. Locate the 2 bump outs on log 5, the notch on log 1, and the area to the left of grate post 1. With the charred side facing inward, place the bump out into the notch on log 1. The bump out on the opposite end is then placed to the left of grate post 1. Locate the bump out on log 6 and the notch on log 1. Place the bump out into the notch and rest the opposite end into the locator on the top of log 4. Locate the bump out and notch in log 7. Notch in log 1. An area to the right of grate post 4. Place the bump out into the notch on log 1, and the opposite end resting to the right and top of grate post 4. With all of the logs placed correctly within the firebox, allow the fireplace to burn for a minimum of 15 minutes before assessing the flame. Note the peaks and valleys within the flame pattern. Logs should not impinge or split any flames as the fireplace burns. Check the placement of the glowing embers. They should not restrict the flame and should be placed to create a realistic glow effect on the burner. See the video description for all manual, leaflet, and part numbers for this log set. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.